outside, you guys. I'm currently in the car. I'm on the way to Posh party, you guys. So I'm super excited. So yeah, I'm going to my first ever Posh party. It's in LA, Hollywood. It's on Sunset. And I think the last one that they had for LA was like in 2016. So it's been like 7 years. They never come to LA, so I could not miss this. I saw on my Poshmark I was invited, so I was like, heck yeah, I'm going. So this is the closest one to us. I know they had a few months ago was like New York. Before that was Dallas, I believe. So they go all around the US. So I could not miss LA because I don't know when they're gonna come back here again. So I'm super excited. I did bring one item that I'm gonna list in their studio, which I'm super excited about. Some human hair extensions. So they said bring an item you want to post, which I'm gonna do that. I am going by myself because it is 18 or over, and my babe couldn't come because obviously who's gonna watch the kids, because my mom does work tonight. So yeah, so I'm really excited. Quick out for the day in the car. I was like rushing. I was supposed to leave at what was it, 5 o'clock, and I left at like 5:10. So coming right now, and I will let you guys know once I get there. So I'm super excited. I'll be there in like 40 minutes. So peace out. You guys, I'm here. I'm on the elevator. Here's my little outfit. I'm scared, y'all. Now I'm going. Hey guys, this is literally upstairs. Oh my gosh. I gotta pee. Hey guys, so I just left Posh LA. It was so much fun, you guys. I made some friends. I stepped out of my comfort zone. I literally came by myself like I'm crazy. They was partying at the end. They was dancing on the dance floor. I sat my butt right there in the CA. I ain't dancing, which I have gone to raves and like concerts by myself before, but I was not about to get out there and dance because it's like, it was like, I don't know. It was dark, but no, it was not for me. I don't know. But I had so much fun, you guys. I got some Posh swag. That was so fun, you guys. That was literally so fun. And I'm on my way home, so I'll see you guys there. Bye. I'll do a haul when I get home. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I just want to show you guys a little Posh party LA haul. So this is the bag that they made at the party, which was super cool. They had 4 different options to choose from. One that's at Posh Party Los Angeles. I kind of wanted that one too, but you only could pick one. So I really did like how it says secondhand style, looks good on you, and then it says Poshmark, which of course secondhand style, like that just made sense. So I picked this one, super cool and custom. And then I'm going to show you guys what I did get from Posh Party LA. So they were giving away these, which is the lightweight and powerful charging block. So charge fast, lives more, plus 92 hours, you guys. It is USB-C rechargeable. So when they were like, do you want this power bank? I said yes ma'am. So, and the super cool thing about this is it does have Poshmark's name on it, which I thought was so cool. You guys can see here's the power bank and it has their name on it, Poshmark. And you just open this and it has like the charging and everything. I thought this was like so cool for those of you that are always on the go like myself, especially as a mom. Like my kids have phones, their phones are always dying, so this is something I'm definitely gonna be traveling with. I did like how it came with this little travel case. How cute is that, to keep it in good condition? So I love that. Had the little all the info. Oh my gosh, I forgot this was in here, you guys. Yeah, I gotta put this on my fridge, you guys. So they did have a photo booth as well there, and you guys, I had to go in there. So I did attend the event by myself just because it was 18 and over, so I couldn't bring my kids, and I had no one to watch my kids, so my husband had to stay back and watch them. So I love him for that, thankful. But I did have go in the little photo booth, and they had little props. So I got the boa, and I did my little poses. So you guys see at the bottom, oh, I've been Posh Party Los Angeles, so I love that. I totally forgot I had pictures in there. Where's my other one? I know I got like 2 of these in there, so there's that. So you guys, they gave me 2 copies. Here's my other one. This one is in better condition because that one was bent. I don't know why, who told me to put it back in this box, but here's that one, Posh Party Los Angeles. So I'm definitely gonna keep these for memories. And then the other thing that I got, this Poshmark keychain, which is so cool. Look, it says Poshmark. There's the front, and then there's this way. It's like the back of it. So I love this. I'm probably gonna put this on my purse or my bag. And then they were also giving out these pens. Poshmark pen. I can never have too many pens. I'm actually gonna leave this in my car because for some reason, when I travel, I'm always needing a pen and I never have one in my car at all. Only in the house. So I'm gonna put that in my car. And then last but not least, and I'm gonna show you guys a little game that I did play at the event, Posh Bingo. These names are all names of Poshmark resellers, so we have to go around and go up to people and they have to put their name on here, and if you fill out 5 in a row, you win a prize, which was this and the keychain. So shout out to all the Poshers. Thank you if you guys did follow me. I'm following everybody back. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got at Poshmark LA. If you guys did enjoy the vlog, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already. If you guys aren't too familiar with Poshmark, I'll leave the link in the description. Please follow me, check out my boutique. I have a lot of different things on there, something for everybody. So if you guys did enjoy, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey, what's up guys? Happy Friday. I'm super excited. Today I'm going to be doing a collab with the Mod Pizza. I'm so excited. The company reached out to me. They wanted me to check out one of their locations, check out the food, see how it is and everything. So I'm super excited. It's my first time ever trying this pizza. You guys know my babe loves pizza. So when I told him about this, he was excited. The kids like pizza as well, huh? You guys like pizza? Yeah. So we'll see how it is. I'm like super excited. We're on our way there, so we'll see you guys when we get there. Come join me for lunch at my local Mod Pizza. Now I did visit the Downey, California location, and you guys, I've never tried Mod Pizza before, so I was super excited to give this a try for the first time. Now just walking in, I really love how they have it set up. I love the lighting. I really love the pictures on the wall. I thought they were really cool. And one thing I did love about Mod Pizza is it is customizable, so you guys could get unlimited toppings. You guys could pretty much put whatever you guys want on your pizza. But I did come with my kids who are super picky, so I did play it safe on this visit, and I did get the Mad Dog pizza, which is pretty much just sausage and pepperoni, which I love anyways. So I was excited. Opening it, it looks so good, and you guys, it definitely tasted as good as it looked. It was absolutely delicious, and for those of you who have not tried Mod Pizza before, I definitely recommend it. I would give it 10 out of 10, and I would definitely be coming back again. Hey guys, so we got the pizza for this collab. I did get it to go. I know you guys saw for the Panera one we dined in, but it was because it was empty. But you guys, Mod Pizza is very popular. I didn't realize how popular they were, and it was packed in there. So we did get this one, which is the meat lovers. It has the sausage and pepperoni. It's called Mad Dog. Oh my gosh, this looked delicious. I cannot wait to get home. And then for our drinks, of course, I'm a Dr. Pepper girly. I got the Dr. Pepper, and my babe got the blue Powerade. We wanted to get the lemonade, y'all, but it was sold out. That location is very popular. So yeah, this looks delicious. I'll check back with you guys once we try it, because this is our first time ever trying my pizza. So I'll let you guys know what we rate it. And this is at mine, Dr. Pepper. You guys know Dr. Pepper. Yes. Very good.